Hi, I'm Jen Dearden, editor, chef, and registered dietitian at Cook for Your Life. This is your most asked questions about nutrition. Why is a high fiber diet important? Well, fiber does some great things in our body. There are two types, soluble fiber and insoluble fiber. Soluble fiber, think like dissolve in water, right? Soluble. So it absorbs things as it goes through your intestine. This can help block the absorption of bile acids, which contribute to cholesterol. It can also help you feel fuller for longer so that it's easier for you to maintain a healthy weight. This is something that's really important for prevention of cancer and other chronic diseases. Insoluble fiber, think more like roughage. So these are things that can't be digested, that just go right through your digestive tract. Actually, a lot of it is really great food for bacteria. You're gonna find fiber, both of these types, in plant foods. So think fruits, vegetables, beans, legumes, nuts, and seeds. All of this stuff is going to have fiber. So you don't necessarily have to focus on which type of fiber you're eating, but just making sure that you're eating enough plants overall will make sure that your body is working just as well as it should be and keep your gut happy. Our High Five for High Fiber collection features plant-based, nutrient-rich recipes that are a great way to increase your fiber intake. Check them out on Cook for Your Life. Cook for Your Life helps people navigate one of the most challenging parts of the cancer experience, food. For more recipes and nutrition tips, check out cookforyourlife.org.